Let us solve the question given to us on the board. It is very simple. Expand 2x minus 3 all raised to the power 4. To expand this is very easy, but that is 2x minus 3 times 2x minus 3 times 2x minus 3 times 2x minus 3. Now, if you expand this way, it will become tedious. It is too much tedious. So what do? You use the Pascal's triangle. The Pascal's triangle, for example, if x plus y is raised to the power 1, then you will have x plus y. If you have x plus y raised to the power 2, then you have x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. If you have x plus y raised to the power 3, then you have x squared, x raised to the power 3 plus 3x squared y plus 3x y squared plus y cubed. If you have x raised to the power, x plus y raised to the power 4, then you have x raised to the power 4 plus 4x raised to the power 3 y plus 6x raised to the power 2 y raised to the power 2 plus 4x y raised to the power 3 plus y raised to the power 4. Now, if you have x plus y raised to the power 5, then you will have x raised to the power 5 plus 5x raised to the power 4 y plus 10x raised to the power 3 y squared plus 10 x raised to the power 2 y cubed plus 5x raised to the power 1 times y raised to the power 3 plus y raised to the power 4. The pattern continues. This is the what we call the Pascal's theorem. So taking the coefficients of this, you will have a pattern. That is, for this x, the coefficient is 1. For y, the coefficient also is 1. Here in the second expansion, the coefficient of x squared is 1. The coefficient of xy is 2. The coefficient of y squared is 1. And the third expansion, you have the coefficient of y cubed is 1. The coefficient of xy is 3. And the coefficient of xy, which is the third term, is what? 3. And the fourth term, it has 1. For the fourth expansion, the coefficient of the first term is 1. The coefficient of the second term is 4. The coefficient of the third term is 6. The coefficient of the fourth term is 4. And the coefficient of the fifth term is 1. Now, the fifth expansion, the coefficient of the first term is 1. The fifth term here is 1. And the coefficient of the second term is 5. The coefficient of the third term is 10. The coefficient of the fourth term is 5. The coefficient of the fifth term is 1. Now, how do we get all this? These were done, it continues, this one continues. You can see if you take this, it will be a triangle where the base is broader and the top is narrow. Now, here 1 plus 1 gives you these 2, and 1 plus 2 gives you these 3, and 2 plus 1 gives you these 3, 1 plus 3 gives you this 4, and 3 plus 3 gives you this 6, 3 plus 1 gives you 4 here, and it continues. Now our expression is on the fourth part, which is 1, that is x to the fourth power plus 4x cubed y plus 6x squared y squared plus 4x y cubed plus y raised to the power 4. Now let us take these terms which are inside the bracket here. We have x, in place of x is 2x, you have to put 2x raised to the power 4 plus 4 times 2x raised to the power 3 times y is negative 3 plus 6 times 2x raised to the power 2 times negative 3 raised to the power 2. Then you have plus 4 times 2 times negative 3 cubed plus negative 3 to the fourth power. Now, multiplying this throughout, you will find you have 2 raised to the power 2x raised to the power 4. You will have 16x raised to the power 4 plus 2 raised to the power 4, sorry, to the power 3 is 8 times this 4, you get 32. 32 times 3, you get negative 96. 96 x cubed. Then here plus 2x raised to the power 2 is 4x squared times 6, you get 24. 24 times 3, you get 50. No. 2x squared, you'll find it what? It is, you get 216 x squared minus, because of the negative here, 4 times 2x, you get 8, times 27, you get negative 216 x, then plus, because negative 3 raised to the power 4 will become positive, you get 81. This is the required expansion. Now, if you are asked